everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Showroom Talks. My name is Aaron from the trade sales team here at APC. Today we're going to talk about one of our most versatile and modern flooring systems, Ultra Flake. Ultra Flake is a seamless decorative epoxy system designed to deliver a clean, consistent finish that works just as well outdoors as it does inside the home. Ultra Flake offers a seamless finish with multi-size flakes that add depth and texture to your floors. You can pick from 4 different size flakes: nano, small, large and jumbo, each bringing its own unique style and look. With over 30 colours in the range, there is plenty of choice to find the perfect match for your space. Plus you can add an extra sparkle of colour with glitters, microflake or Ultra Flake highlight range. The Ultra Flake system is a fantastic modern alternative to tiles or carpet, delivering a smooth, grout-free surface that's tough enough for busy areas like driveways, patios, kitchens and living rooms. It's resistant to stains, UV rays and everyday wear, so it stays looking great with very little upkeep. When it comes to the finish, Ultra Flake has you covered, with options ranging from slip-resistant grip to Essentials balanced semi-texture, the sleek, glossy crystal finish, the refined showroom finish, and the luxurious high-gloss diamond finish. So whatever style you're going for, there's a finish that fits. If you want to get up close and personal with our Ultra Flake range, please come and visit one of our showrooms in Queensland, New South Wales, WA or Victoria, or give us a call, 1800 437 699. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and catch you next time.